Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you another important layout manager, that is place. So what is the purpose of place? So it is basically used to place all the widgets according to absolute positioning as well as relative positioning. So what is absolute positioning and relative positioning? Suppose as per the picture, in case of absolute position, if we mention the x coordinate and y coordinate, it will start from the beginning of the window, and in case of relative positioning, it will consider the existing element to place the new element. So another difference is that in case of absolute positioning, if we resize the parent window, then all the widget size and position will remain unchanged. But in case of relative positioning, the window size, if we increase, then widget size will be changed accordingly. Now, so this is how absolute positioning works. So if we provide any x coordinate value and y coordinate value, it will increase to left position as well as bottom position. In case of relative positioning, x coordinate value starts from 0.0 to 1.0. Similarly, y coordinate value starts from 0.0 to 1.0, and different positions are there, like northwest, southwest, northeast, southeast, center, etc. Now, what are the common arguments that we can use with place method? The first one is x. X basically used for absolute positioning to specify the x coordinate value. Similarly, y is used to provide y coordinate value for absolute positioning. In case of relative positioning, we can specify to rel x option, means x coordinate value. Similarly, y coordinate value can be specified for relative positioning through rel y option. If we provide width means width of the widget and used in absolute positioning. Similarly, height is used for height of the widget and used in absolute positioning. Similarly, rel width is used in relative positioning to specify the width, and rel height is used for relative positioning to specify the height of the widget. Next option is anchor. It basically allows you to anchor the widget to the edge of the allocated space, and different values are there: north, south, east, west, northwest, northeast, southeast, southwest, and center. And if we do not provide any value, then default value will be northwest. In this example, we are using two button B1 and B2, and we are placing the first button at x10 y10 and placing the second button at x20 y20 position. So this is the output. So looks here, button 2 overlaps on button 1. So this is the problem of absolute positioning. Now, if we use the same problem using relative positioning method, and we are using here two buttons B1 and B2 and mentioning their coordinate x equal to 0.2, y equal to 0.2, and for button 2 x equal to 0.4, y equal to 0.4, then output will be this. So looks here, it does not overlaps. Now if we resize this window, then button position will be changed accordingly. This is another example of relative positioning. Here we are using only one button and placing this button at the middle of the window. So we are specifying rel x equal to 0.5, rel y equal to 0.5. So we know that coordinates start from 0.0 and ends at 1.0. So 0.5 means the middle position. So looks here, the button starting point or edge will be placed at the center position, but the enter button will not placed at the center location. So to solve this problem, we can use anchor option. So if we use anchor equal to center, then output will be this. So looks here, button will be placed at the middle of the window. So in this way we can use several options and absolute and relative positioning system with this method. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this, please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.